Stock number 6336 has just arrived from Japan. It's a little jumbo 2015, and we've picked this one because it's special. Check it out, it's beautiful. Have a look at these images. When I say special, I'll explain why, but first let me introduce myself. That's me, Philip Lee from Edward Lee and SunRIseCars. This is Fluffy, the sales manager. He's here to help out as well. He's got a very strong opinion on these cars. He reckons they're awesome. Where was I? Why is it special? Well, it's mainly because of the condition. This is mint. I can't find a mark or a scratch on it. And it's also special because it's got loads of extras. Mainly condition, that's what we go by. We want to pick the cream of the crop. Now, these get used pretty hard in Japan. Commercial vehicles. Look at the back of this thing. And you know, there's a couple of little marks there. We've not touched the paint on this car. It's all original. Nothing's been resprayed. It's just mint. And the person that's had it, look at that, they've loved it. They've put these little stainless protectors on here. That's not standard. The whole car's mint. There's zero rust. Sometimes these four-wheel drives get used in the cold parts of Japan. They go a bit crusty and rusty. Not this one. It's really mint. Original decals. These are brand new mud terrains with 0 kilometers. Our supplier in Japan fitted those. You can see the little new wear mark is still in place. Brand new Mudstar all terrains with a really nice set of off-road steelies. They're tough. These are an aftermarket special part 2. These little protectors here. The mud flaps are an option. And also on the front, it's got these over fenders. Really tasteful add-ons that are not standard. And of course, the bull bar / nudge bar at the front. They're special bits. Now what's ticked on the option box of this, we've got the top spec with the driving lights in the front. Makes it special. The chrome grille means it's a top of the range model. It's got weather shields, tints. The jumbo means large humans such as myself, and even much larger than myself, will fit very comfortably in this car. That's Fluffy, the sales manager. He likes these. Very fond of the Hijet is Fluffy. And obviously the guy that's owned it just completed the service. Thank you very much. Service is up to date. Matches the odometer reading. If you want to see the auction sheet on this, just ask me, I'll show you. It reflects that the car's immaculate. We've not spent a cent on it apart from Nobu has put these brand new wheels and tyres, and you'll notice it's sitting high. It's got a lift kit that Nobu, our supplier, has fitted in Japan. So lift kit, that's an expensive bit of kit. Hard to find those bits in Australia if you want to do a lift on it. It's not as easy as what you might think, so that's why we get it done in Japan. And that nudge bar is brand new as well. So we've had Nobu go on a little bit of a mission to zhuzh this car with those goodies. The wheels, the tyres, the lift kit and the nudge bar. Thanks Nobu. Yeah, so as I was saying, I'll show you what this looks like when I sit in it. I'm 6 foot tall and I'm a large human. Massive head space, massive amounts of leg room. 6 foot tall I am. So yeah, the jumbo is really good. Plus you can fit soft bags, luggage, suitcases behind the seats as well. There's a little tie down strap as well. So very, very well suited to large humans. And being the top spec model, we've got keyless remote, central locking, electric windows. Believe it or not, that's not standard on these cars. We've got a rear light in the back cup holder, air conditioning, power steering. This button here is your rear diff locker. And this lever here is for high and low range. So yeah, the lights come on once it's in gear, shows the diff locker is active, and the 4-wheel drive, that lights up on your dash as well. So you can actually have the rear diff locker without 4-wheel drive, which is maybe useful on slippery roads, but you might not need 4-wheel drive. That puts it into 4-wheel drive. And then if you want low range for crawling up rocks or something really radical, you pull this lever and you've got low range. So it's essentially all the gear that you might get in a much more expensive, sophisticated four-wheel drive. So this car will go where Land Cruisers cannot go, because not only has it got the sophisticated system of four-wheel drive, but it's a very lightweight vehicle. So that gives it a massive advantage in an off-road four-wheel drive situation. So these, we've seen videos of these crawling over pretty radical terrain. But it's also, you can take this on a highway and sit on 110 uphill and down dale. That's it. I'm gonna end this video. If you want to have a chat, give us a call. Call us for an interstate transport quote. Our number is 02 97440539. Check out the price on our website, www.edwardlees.com.au. And I've spoken for 1 minute too long, but what the hell. Thanks for watching. Signing off, Gil Lee. See ya. Ciao.